Our journey starts with a marvel that stayed concealed from the world for thousands of years, a treasure only recently discovered. Vinicunca, Peru. When talking about Vinicunca, often called the Rainbow Mountain, words seem insufficient to capture its beauty. Located in the heart of the Peruvian Andes, this mountain looks hand-painted by a divine artist, with vibrant stripes of red, yellow, green, and blue, alternating in a symphony of colors. These surreal tones are the result of minerals deposited over millions of years. Hiking towards Vinicunca is a breathtaking experience, not only due to the high altitude, but also for the incredible views that accompany every step. Every corner offers a new perspective, a new mental snapshot to cherish dearly.